So I don't know if you guys ever took one of these apart for when you break this or this one goes out, which is all internal now. This is how it looks on the inside. Bunch of wires and shit. So there's one screw here and there's one screw here. But then you gotta kind of like wiggle this out. I have one that I bought on eBay. They just cut the cord, but this is a plug right here. I don't know if they knew that or not. Cause like I said, I've done this one before, and then the stupid cover that I got, I broke it, so I ordered the chrome ones, and the color matched it, so the chrome's already flaking. Guess you gotta spend the right money to do it right. So it's just a quick video. I don't know if you guys ever or want to know about inside of these. I'll try to fight with this for a little bit, try to get it out, and I'll show you guys once it's out. Alright, so I used the little pry tool. This is how the piece looks. Obviously this one's cracked, and I think water got in it, so this one stopped working. So then you just unplug it from here and plug the other one. And this is how the mirror looks. This one is with the blind side monitor and all that bullshit. So let me see if that eBay one's the same. Here, I'll take them on and compare them over there. Give me a minute. Alright, so here's the OEM one. Like I said, water got in there and shit. You can see that's why this light wasn't working well. Which is pretty dumb, because instead of you like replacing that little bulb or something, since it's all internal now, it's all one piece. See? Oh shit, see the water? So this is all one piece now. So if you fuck this up either here or here, you have to replace the whole thing. So this is a new one. Let me take this one apart real quick. I want to scratch the new one. There's your, they look the same basically. Hope it works. I mean, I bought it on eBay, like I said. It looks, all the writing is the same, so I'm guessing it's probably OEM part. Somebody just took off the junkyard or some shit. It does have different serial numbers down here, but everything else looks the same. Yo! So yeah, well, let me see about these pieces right here. So this is the factory one, and this is the new one. They look the same. I don't see nothing really big difference about them. Well, I'm gonna try it out, then I'll show you guys. This looks kind of like that happened there. This one don't have it. So I'll try to hold the camera, put the other one back in, see for you guys to see how it goes. This one's pretty easy. You line up this to this. There's no way of fucking this up, if you guys can tell. It's only, that plug only goes one way. I brought the keys out and test it out. Get the keys to try it out. Alright, so I got the keys. It works. I don't know how I'm gonna mimic this one. I wonder if I open it. It has to be dark out for these to kick on. Here, I'm gonna put a little cover over the sensor. Alright, so I put a rag over the sensor. Hopefully it thinks it's dark out. Let me see now. Oh yeah, there you go. I don't know if you guys can see it because it's so bright out. So it does work. Another one didn't work no more, and I know a few of the LEDs weren't working no more either. That's off. Yeah, there you go. Alright, I'm gonna try to put this back together. Slide in here. I like to close it here, get it in there better. So dumb how they do this now. There you go. That's how it looks in there. I should test it out before I screw it back in. Remember, it thinks that, oh, I locked it. So the LED on the bottom should come up. Yeah, there you go. Alright, so there goes one screw here and here. Probably better if we do it without this. I don't want to break the cheap ass plastic. And that's it. That's all I did. I haven't done nothing to the Impala really. So I figured I'd wait till the night to see if they match. Oh, you can see the floor one works. Now let's turn it on. Sorry, my lens is dirty. Oh, of course. Alright, so they do look the same. No, this one looks brighter than this one. Stand back a little. So I haven't done nothing else to the Impala. I did want to do the tail lights, but I think I'm gonna wait. Silverado's done. I have to do a few things to it. I think the speedometer is off by like, I'm gonna say like 6 or 5. Not because just the wheels, then I re-geared, so now I have to find calibrator for the speedometer, which I did found a few, which Rough Country offers it, but Rough Country only does for tires. It don't do for the gear ratio. So I've been looking. I know Super Chips does one, but it's like 200 or something, just because it has like a little LCD screen, which I don't care about. But yeah, I'll let you guys know if you need any help or anything. I mean, I haven't found a video about this, so I figured I'd put it on here. And I do have a video of the Yukon new headlights, which is dumb. Everybody knows how to do a 90s headlight, you know, all the OBS trucks or whatever. So I'll put that in the next video. I just did the headlights, put LEDs instead of the projectors I used to have. So I'll show you guys that, and let me know if you guys want to see anything else, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.